women basically here
Mm-hmm.
use this actual place to do their gardening during the dry season.
Okay.
So we had that time.
Like all this.
Yeah, this is done.
Oh, during the rainy season.
Yeah. But in the dry season, they actually do gardening. In the rainy season, we grow rice.
Oh, okay.
Look how nice the environment.
Wow.
This is a shed. This is a shed where they do their cooking. And where they normally sit.
Where are they?
Some of them might be around.
So this is their spot when they're working?
Yeah, this is where they normally keep some of their food, especially during the rain. They go under this so they don't get soaked in water.
Huh.
That's where they also do their cooking.
Really?
Yeah.
So they cook over there?
Yeah, that's a cook over. You could see that basin
Yeah.
on the cooking pot, on the cooking stove.
Huh. How impressive.
I see how greasy and
Yeah, this is very cool.
This environment here.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
And over there is okra.
Hello, sister.
Linda. So this is sweet potato. These other beds are mostly made for sweet potato to use the leaves to cook a form of this called plazas.
Plazas. This is plazas?
Yeah, plazas.
So I can just take this home and do my thing?
Yeah, the leaves to do your plazas.
What is this?
That's a well, yeah. You can see this, shallow well.
Man-made well?
Yeah, man, we dog, it was dog. See the water.
Wow. That's the water she uses.
Yeah. So they draw water from them to do water.
Wow.
Actually, we want to see this place have a borehole so we can have a reliable source of water for even the women who do gardening. But this area is also part of our land.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this area, that's the Dia land.
All this area is our land. Yeah, the Dia land.
The lead Dia land's right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, that was the area I was telling you.
Right, right.
So this area is a good location for a house during the rainy season.
Oh, okay.
And what will happen is a little bit elevated. During the rainy season, you will have water all around, leaving this place like an island. Maybe you just need a passage so you don't get into the water when you are moving. So having a house there would be very good. Then you will have water surrounding your house. That would look very nice. Yeah. So behind you there.
Where? Right here?
Yeah, there.
That's plazas
You
again.
have okra.
Oh, this is okra?
No, that's sweet potato.
Oh, sweet potato. Sweet potato right here. This is...
Sweet potato. It's called sweet potato. Yeah. Now here we are on another area.
Where's the okra?
And this is okra.
Oh, all this is my okra.
Yeah, we also have sorrel in
I
it.
can live on okra.
Hmm?
I can live on okra.
You like it?
Love it.
Very nice. Especially plazas or super kanja.
Do we have any? Yeah, do we have any ready?
No, they're not yet started producing fruits.
Because I can eat them raw.
They're still young. The fruit, eh?
The okra.
The leaf? Or the okra fruit itself?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat it raw.
Yeah.
It's nice.
When I went to Jamaica,
Mm.
he gave me a piece and I was just like, what? He said, try it. I was like, right now? He's like, yeah. And I tasted it. I was like, I never even tried it until now. I eat it raw.
Yeah. It's nice. I like them raw. Like
It's a good snack.
Yeah.
And they're nice and crunchy.
Crunchy, yeah.
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 Nice.
That's good.
Okay. So what is this going on?
The sorrel seeds.
You get it hitting in some grass? What's going on here? Sorrel seeds?
Yeah, sorrel seeds.
Why they like this? Why do you do that?
That's how they sleep before.
That's how the seeds mature.
Yeah.
Before you plant them.
When they are mature, they're like this. So they just keeping them here.
This is the
like
seed right there.
them,
Yeah.
I thought that was the rock. What's this?
Well,
This is
it could be
just-
some seeds also in that. But
And then you have to
different
put it under there.
They
Why?
may be different from this.
Can I feel the seed?
Yeah, you can.
It feels like a rock.
Mm.
Can I taste it?
Yeah?
You can taste it. You can taste it.
You can take it and see.
It's hard.
It's like a rock.
The wonjo, you know wonjo?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I love wonjo.
That's it.
Can I eat it?
No wonjo?
No.
No, don't eat it. Not gonna cost anything, but don't eat it.
Look at here. This is from the seed, right?
So that's the wonjo. Where the seed is from.
Wow.
See the seeds?
No, my viewers don't see the seeds. Oh.
Those are the seeds.
What? Yeah.
That make it a sweet for the
That's one.
It's not bad.
That's it out there.
So you clear it by burning it? And that's what makes it black?
Yeah, that's the ash.
That's the ash
From the grass,
from the grass. And now this is clear.
yeah. Partially clear. So
Partially clear.
Burning is never an efficient way of clearing.
Oh, it's not an efficient way of clearing. What's that area right here where it looks like it's all clear?
Yeah, that area is cleared and then chilled, and okra is planted, but it's just germinating.
Okra. So I can eat this one?
This one you can eat, I guess.
Okay.
I guess it's not.
Eat it too.
Wow.
You got more?
More?
Mm-hmm. That's good. Where'd you find that, Sam? What is this?
What's that? This is grass.
This is grass. I've never seen grass like this before. This is African grass. Oh, here comes some okras. Oh, is this pepper? Pepper. Oh, tomato. Bitter tomato or regular tomato?
Red tomato.
Oh, nice. You like, we gotta be careful where you step out here. It's like life everywhere.
What's that?
Look at this burnt okra, y'all. Look at it. Somebody left it on the stove too long.
That one is dry.
That's a little one.
Yeah, and it has seeds on it. The okra seeds in there.
Pretty good. Chelsea eating that harvest of okra.
Maybe when we start the garden here, some will be grown specially for you.
Hmm. Okra Dia. That could be the brand of okra that we sell to the commercial market. We can name it Okra Dia. Look at this. This grass is pretty.
Yeah, this is spare grass, called spare grass.
Spare.
Yeah.
I like this.
I think it's called Infrata cylindrica, as the scientific name. Spare grass.
Onion.
One grass, the ash.
It's interesting. Whoa, baby, baby. Americans pay a lot of money for this now. Baby, what?
I just had to look at this cabbage. You see how big and beautiful this cabbage is on the Sand family farm? Oh my goodness. I just wanted to grab them all and take them home. Man, cabbage is so expensive everywhere I go. Even in the Gambia, I feel like it's expensive. So I was really excited to see this cabbage. Take a look, y'all.
Got some red onions right here, y'all. Yeah. Bitter tomatoes here. So these also pop up when they're ready?
Yeah.
So we don't gotta go get them.
No.
They ready.
They just
Oh,
put
here goes some. Right?
Yeah. That's another.
Ooh, baby. See that?
Mama, this eggplant.
Eggplant? Oh, sorry, Bitter. Gotta go.
Oh, okay. It's still beneath me.
Yeah, I see them. I see them right there. They popping up. Oh,
Where's eggplant?
that's a big one.
See how big
What these? That's huge.
See, these ones were harvested and kept
You look.
for seeds.
Baby, what's that?
Bitter to
There's tomato.
Bitter tomato.
No
But for seeds.
way.
It's for seeds.
Okay. Turn it over.
It's going to be used for collect the seeds for planting.
That's amazing.
Yeah, but you see,
They're not ready?
some things normally come here to eat them up.
Birds.
To eat them up, you can see this. So
So you gotta cover it?
Yeah, this is why they use grasses to cover them up.
Oh, was that tomato ready right there?
Yeah, something like that.
Oh.
Yes.
There's another big tomato. Bitter tomato here.
What y'all putting in these stuff? Steroids? These are huge.
Hello.
There's tomatoes to America too.
Pure organic.
Hello.
No artificial.
Okay, so we have more of the Sand family farm to see. So as you can see, we're out here where the crops are grown and the workers come to harvest, to plant, to water, to prune, to do everything needs to be done. As you can see right there, there's Sam back there. I think that's his mom as well. So it's really, truly a family affair. So we had so much fun here, as you know, and you're going to learn a lot more. So just keep watching till the end. You don't want to miss it.
Harvesting sweet potato. So they ready?
Yeah.
Oh, can I try?
Let my baby try. She's a little farmer. No, she wants to get it out.
Oh, I'll get it up.
Yes.
Let me put this one. Can I make a bread?
Hello, pretty. Oh, they're so pretty.
All right. Anyway, then I will work very hard.
You're making her get it easy. Shelby needs to be quiet. You told me be quiet. I saw that. I saw that hand motion.
This one doesn't have much. You see, it have.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, let the baby do it.
Yeah.
Let's go to this one.
Yeah, it's possible. Even by Thursday, I think I can understand.
Whoa.
Let me come and try.
Shelby's gonna go try y'all.
Ah.
You cut it.
When you wash it, you're gonna like. When we are going, you take some.
Okay.
Careful, because it's a root plant, so that tells you that you know it's gonna be in the soil. Like this one, see? Yeah. Is it going? Can you see that one?
Okay, Chelbeani, I see you.
Pull it. Just dig again. You got one?
Go, Chelbeani. Gotta show the camera, booey. Let me see that. All right, Chelbeani Social, get it in.
Careful. There's one here. There's one here. There's
Oh,
one.
oh, oh.
So you gotta be careful not to
I
cut
love it. This is actually fun.
it.
Ooh.
It's a giant, huh? Okay, now dig here a bit. Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
oh. She's a professional.
that one, put it aside. That one is yours. You take it along.
Oh,
This one.
what?
Good.
Okay, Chelbeani.
Good.
My secret is you can't be afraid to get dirty.
She said the secret is do not be afraid to get dirty.
Yeah.
You see my hands?
Let's see your hands, baby. It's dirty. Okay.
Yeah. Only one though.
That's rich soil, boo.
This at Home Depot soil.
Now you a perfect. Oh, we gonna have to, you have to come get her every weekend.
I checked that already.
Did you say that?
I gotta make sure I know what's going on in my tours.
Chelbeani, you a farmer girl.
I told you I was always made for this. I was born in Florida for a reason. Can't get up. That's it.
Yeah.
How that feel, Boogie?
That guy was really dirty.
Guys, this to me was just so beautiful watching them work. I don't know why. It was just so beautiful. Like, I mean, the chocolate, it's like, man, the skin is just so perfect. Like, man, I just wonder if I was raised out here, would I be even more chocolatier? Anyway, so as you can see, everybody does their part and they enjoy themselves. They're listening to some great music. I had to mute it out because I didn't want to get copyrighted, but they were having a good time when they were actually working.
Pull it out. It's broken. You know what I'm saying?
What no?
You're chopping it.
Yo, cut it and pull it. Woo!
Pure. That part. There you go. Did that. I buy the farms, you do the farm work. Chubby.
All right, y'all. So as you can see in this clip, I'm chit-chatting. I'm doing a video actually to my mom's. And yeah, so some things I said I didn't put on YouTube. But I did want to show you the cashew nuts. So that was the cashew nuts that we harvested and roasted earlier that day. After we did some work on the farm, we were able to eat. So if you work, you eat. You know, the Bible say you don't work, you don't eat, right? Well, there you go. So here we go. She's going to show you some more stuff. And everybody's eating. They're doing their thing. Some people are still out on the farm. Look at him. He's shelling the nuts for us. He's helping us. They're just sitting there talking, shooting the breeze. You know, it's very breezy in this section. So it was chill. That's the first sweet potato that Chelbeani harvested by herself. So I was really proud of that. I guess I was trying to show the camera. I didn't do a good job showing the camera, but you see what I'm trying to do. There you go. That was for mama. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys that because I didn't have any other footage of this part right here. But yeah, you definitely need to come out to the Sam family farm. Link up with me and I'll get you there.
Look at Sam. Sam the man. We call him Sam the man. These are the cashew apples. The cashews on the other end of that. Well, we took them out. We put them there. She taking it home for the cows? Oh. These are the ones you get to eat. I don't want to eat them right now. I'm going to take them home and eat them. This is Sam and his brother, Mom. Yeah, so this is everything out here. Look, they out there working over there. You see that? This is all the oranges I got, plus these two. I separated these two because these are Phantom oranges and I can't see the difference. But those Phantom ones is busting, so these are the Impala, I think. Impala? Something like that. Oranges. And they're very good as well.
Okay, before you go, here's the okra we harvested today. And those sweet potatoes, that big one in the middle, that's the one that Chelbeani did. Not that one. That's the one that I did right there. Yeah. I did that. And then my baby, she did that one. She's a beast. So keep watching, y'all. Share. Peace.